Intimate Love After 60, A Doctor's Gentle Guide to Pleasure and Connection, by Dr. Emily Carter, clinical psychologist, C15+, years helping couples reconnect. Hi there. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, a psychologist who spent over 15 years helping couples, especially those in midlife and beyond, rediscover closeness, comfort, and joy in their intimate lives. Today, I want to talk about something many couples don't discuss, but should. You love your wife deeply. You want her to feel cherished, satisfied, and close to you. But when it comes to intimacy, something feels off. Maybe she doesn't respond the way you hope. Maybe she turns away quietly or just lies still. And you're left wondering, am I doing something wrong? Let me tell you this, it's not about love. It's about understanding. Many men think that more pressure, faster movement, or stronger suction will bring pleasure. But here's the truth, especially for women over 50 or 60. Gentle, mindful touch works better than force. And when it comes to oral intimacy, technique matters a lot. Not because it's complicated, but because it's deeply personal. If you've ever felt unsure, frustrated, or like you're flying blind in bed, this message is for you. The secret most men don't know. After years of clinical work, I've found one surprising fact: the most powerful pleasure switch in a woman's body isn't where most men think it is. You might assume it's the clitoris, and yes, it's important. But the real magic happens in the soft surrounding areas, especially near the upper curve of the pubic mound. This zone is packed with nerve endings, and when touched the right way, it can trigger deep, full-body waves of pleasure. But, and this is critical, too much direct pressure or fast licking can actually cause discomfort, even pain. And many women won't say anything. They just shut down. They endure, and over time, they withdraw. That's why so many loving couples lose that spark. Not because they don't care, but because they don't know. So today, I'm sharing a simple, gentle method. One I've never shared publicly before, that can help your wife relax, open up, and feel pleasure she may not have felt in decades. It all comes down to three things: the direction of your tongue, how much pressure you use, paying attention to her body's signals, no fancy moves, no performance pressure, just slow, loving attention, like a warm massage for her most sensitive areas. Real story, Mr. Lin, 67, I thought I was doing everything right. Mr. Lin had been married for 40 years. He loved his wife deeply, but lately, she'd started turning her head during intimacy, staying quiet, distant. He thought he was trying hard, but in our session, we discovered the problem. He was using direct, fast tongue movements, even accidentally brushing her with his teeth. That caused subtle pain. Her body tensed. Her arousal dropped. She stopped responding, not because she didn't love him, but because it didn't feel good. Once he learned to slow down, use the side of his tongue, and focus on soft, sweeping motions, everything changed. A week later, his wife held his shoulders and whispered, "I haven't felt like this in 30 years. The 5-step method, like a gentle love song. Think of this not as performance, but as listening with your lips and tongue, like playing a beautiful piece of music. Soft at first, building gently. Step 1, start on the outer lips. Build trust. Begin with soft kisses on the outer labia, just like whispering, "I love you," against her skin. See, use your lips, not your tongue. Let her relax. Sign, it's working. Her breathing slows. Her legs soften. Step 2, move to the edge. Find the sweet spot. Gently glide toward the area where the labia meet the clitoral hood. CG. Use the side of your tongue. Like a feather. Slow, wide strokes. Sign. Sign it's working. Her hips lift slightly. Her thighs tense gently. Step 3. Focus on the sides. 70% of women love this. Most women respond best to rhythmic, light pressure on the sides of the clitoris, not direct contact. Jai, use small, soft circles. Imagine you're drawing tiny stars. Sign, it's working. She arches her back. Her breath catches. Step 4. Add warm breath, the hidden key. Here's a secret. Warm air feels amazing. Pause. Breathe gently over the area, like fog on a window. Then go back to soft touch. C. E. Why it works. Warmth triggers natural pelvic responses. San. It's working. Her body shivers. Her muscles pulse. Step 5. Pause. The golden rule. Yes. Stop for 10,015 seconds. Let her body reset. Then begin again. This pause builds anticipation. It lets pleasure grow deeper. Result: waves of sensation, like a waterfall opening inside her. Real changes, real couples. Mr. Chen, 70, his wife had said, "It doesn't matter anymore." After trying the slow kiss from the belly down, then gentle side touching, that night she held him tightly, trembling. "I didn't know I could feel this again." Mr. Wong, 67, hi, he used to go fast. She'd tense up. When he slowed down, used warm breath, and waited, her legs relaxed. Her body responded. I never knew waiting could feel so powerful. Mr. Wu, 73, thought intimacy wasn't important anymore. But when he started with soft kisses on her inner thighs and spent just 5 seconds on the right spot, she cried. "It's been so long since I felt seen." Why this works. 3 simple truths. These men succeeded because they learned slow beats fast, gentle beats force. Watch her body, not the clock. Her breathing, her muscles, her sounds, they tell you everything. Warmth and breath are more powerful than suction. This isn't about being good in bed, it's about being present. It's about saying, without words, I see you. I care. I'm here. And the best part? This isn't just for young couples. This is for you, no matter your age. Try this tonight. Your simple action plan. Order matters, inner thighs, outer lips, eye edges, sides not direct. Tools in order. Warm breath, lips, then tongue, side, not tip, C, pace, fee. 60 seconds per step. Match her breathing. Cause. Every 2 minutes, stop for 15 seconds. Let pleasure build. You don't need perfection. You just need attention. One last thing. It's never too late. I know what some of you are thinking. At our age, is this really necessary? Yes. Because intimacy isn't just about sex. It's about feeling loved, safe, alive. One small change, one night of real connection, can reignite a spark that's been dim for years. So tonight, try this. W, watch her face. Feel the warmth of her hands. Same. Listen to her breath. These little things will tell you, you're not just touching her body. You're reaching her heart. If this helped you, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I share practical, gentle advice every week for couples over 60 who want to keep love alive. No shame, no pressure, just real help. And if you're comfortable, leave a comment below. Your story could give hope to another couple just like you. Thank you for watching. Remember, love doesn't retire, and neither should intimacy. With care, patience, and a little knowing, your best moments together may still be ahead. I'll see you next time. Until then, be gentle. Be present. Be the man who truly sees her. With care,